Well, I was actually going to do a Facebook Live for this, or actually a YouTube Live today, but I don't have 50 subscribers. I was so saddened by that. So this is going to be an unboxing of coins I purchased over time, and I'm not really, can't remember what's exactly in it. Yeah, I'm using my trusty Ginsu knife that I've owned for over 20 years to start opening the package. This one is for my good friend, Dario Mars. Again, I can't remember exactly what's in here because it's been a long time since I bought these coins. He packs them really nice. Look at this. Fantastic. Look, I can reuse these because they're still sealed. So I'll be surprised if I ever decide to sell anything. It might have one of these coins in there for you. So let's take a look at the first item that we have. And it is one of the California Golds. That is actually very much proof-like on that. Look at that. MS62, 1882 round, the BGU 1077. Look at that. These are just fantastic. These California Golds, they were made when they were finding all that gold in California. And so they were privately done. They're just fantastic. Look how shiny that is. 1882. I believe this was the last one that was produced by this particular outfit. $50 for Cal. And that noise over there is my little doggy coming through the doggy door. If she decides to come say hi, we'll say hi to little Miss Daisy May. Look at that fantastic piece. That is awesome. Really cool, crude design. Oh, she's over there talking to everybody because we're not paying attention to her. Crude design, but it is fantastic. I hope you like that one. I do. Thank you, sir. All right. Next item up is a very cool piece. These are not very often. This is a 3-cent piece. It is a Furtwängler. Furtwängler was a guy who was trying to make his composition into the metal that would be used for the new cents. They kind of made something close to his as you can see, it's kind of yellow, like the cents from 1856 to 1864. You know, they were called the yellow cents. But this is a 3-cent piece. Normally you'll see the 1-cent piece that has the griffin, eagle, whatever you want to call it, on the front of it. And again, this is 1837. As you can see, it says it's tooled. It is genuine. Yes, there is some issues with this coin, but again, it is still a fantastic piece. And again, you can see some of the light scratches. The lines are right there on the coin itself. That's the tooling that they see. But just what a fantastic design this is. Isn't that amazing? And I'm using the daylight sunlight over here to get us a little bit of a better view of the color and the contrast of that coin. The reverse, of course, Furtwängler's composition. Kind of a copper nickel composition. Again, you can see some more of the tooling that was going on there. It's not severe, so I will enjoy having this in my collection. This is a pretty awesome item. Very hard to find. You don't see these very often. Of course, you see the 1 cents that are delivered and offered quite a bit, and they're quite frequently seen. 3 cents, not so much. Enjoy that. That's awesome. And let's see what else we got here. This is in 1997, 1/10 onza. I think I got this one free. He said, "Hey, dude, you bought some cool stuff from me. You can have this." So I like free stuff. This, on the other hand, is an 1843 Dahlonega, Georgia. They were only in service for a short time for a gold rush that was happening there in Georgia. As you can see, this one has some issues with it as well, and probably why I can afford it. And so, as you can see, there's some marking on the cheek and on the cheek area. There's some what you would consider tooling as well. 1843 Dahlonega. They're extremely rare. I would give you an exact vintage, but I don't have one. I see the D right there on the reverse. That's the mint mark. They also used D later on in the series, and that was for the Denver Mint, but that was in the 1900s. So this D right here, the Dahlonega, Georgia, is quite rare and very desirable, even in this shape. It is this is one of the stars of my coin collection now. This is pretty awesome. And we got one more thing in here. It feels heavy. Lots of things in here, actually. So we'll go one by one. Let's see what we got. We got a Canadian dollar, 1958. This is the 100th anniversary. It's also called the Death Dollar. It was popular / unpopular. The natives, the first Americans didn't like it. So, but I like it. I love the design. Totem pole. It was essentially the death symbol for the natives, and so they didn't care for it too much, and so they petitioned and got it changed. So only a 1-year type right here. Very cool. Let's see what else fantastic we got in here. Another one. That is awesome. A little bit of toning going on there. Very cool. And of course, Queen Elizabeth, who will no longer be on their coinage as of this year. I saw my first one that was another Death Dollar. Man, I bought a few of those. That one's proof-like too, by the way. See that shininess in there? Like it. What else do we got in here? Probably another Death Dollar, it looks like. Oh, did I tell you I like these? And another Death Dollar with some toning going on. Very cool. Cool colors. Look at that. But yeah, some pretty cool stuff. Thank you, Dario, for reaching out to me when you were deciding to sell your collection away. And I got some pretty cool things from it. Again, recap of the highlights of the items. We have the California Gold, 1882. Very cool. We've got the 10th ounce of silver, the Libertad. Very cool. MS65. The 3 cent Fute Wagner, 1837. And the highlight right here, the 1843 Dahlonega. Very awesome. Thank y'all for listening in. If you lasted this long, you deserve to see this one, the Dahlonega. Bye.